Right, I've just finished my video of me close-up look into the stands. Now, this is an appeal before the video starts. A family friend of mine has gone missing. Her name is Lesley King. There's going to be pictures on the screen now for you to look at. She's been missing around a week, a bit longer than a week maybe. Her family are beside themselves with worry and they want her home safe. So if anyone's seen Lesley King, please get in touch with the police. The police know all about it. She's been in the Echo. The family are just missing her, basically. And Lesley, if you're watching this yourself, please get in touch with your family, okay? Your husband's beside himself with worry, your son is, your sister, everyone is worried about you. Please get in touch with someone, and if anyone's seen her, please contact the police. There was a possible sighting of her along Smithdown roads around Thursday or Friday. I don't think it's a confirmed sighting, if you like. I'm not sure if there's any CCTV to say it was her, but yeah, if anyone sees her, please keep an eye out and report it to the police, please. The family just want her home safe. Thank you. Hi all, and welcome to your channel. So I am at Anfield to do my close-up video that I've been promising with the drone, but as you can see in here, there's workers up there. It's 6 PM and there's people still working on the site. I'm not going to put the drone up while people are working. Well, I'm not going to put it up while and get close while people are working, so it's not working. As I only put a video out the other day. There are people going home, so I'm not sure if they're going to leave, so I'm just going to hang around for a bit and see if they finish up. Apart from that, I'll speak to you soon. I'll just have a walk along and have a look at the site anyway. You can see up there, there's more ironwork gone into the last year. So to see where you got the two gaps, the second gap's going to be where a backspan's going to be going on. So hopefully we'll get the terracing in soon, and then another backspan will be getting put in there. See just up there, the ironwork's gone in pretty sharpish. Yeah, I don't think about the camera is, it doesn't give any scale to how big this actually is. It's huge from the ground, massive. They look like they might be finishing up there, so I'm just going to hang around a little bit longer and see if they get off or not. And try and get something at least. Yeah, so there's 3 of them on site still. They look as though they're finishing up, so I'm hoping they get off in a minute, so I can get the drone in the air and have a good look around. Yeah, so they've left the part where they're working, and I'm hoping they go to that little scaffold there where the stairs are. Yeah, there they go. There's the 3 of them walking down now, so I'll give them a few minutes to get off site. As soon as I see them leave through the gate, I'll get the drone up before it gets dark. It's a little bit cold as well, so yeah, shouldn't be too long now. Right, so I'm in the air and I am up close. Oh, I don't know if that's someone still on site over there. Right, anyway, okay. I'll have a look when I get closer. You can't see on here properly. Can I zoom in on? No, I can't even zoom in on my phone. Right, so I'm trying to get a good close up of the stand anyway, so I don't want to be here too long. Well, let's get face in and go right along this top part here where the roof's going to be. think that's just a jacket in it sitting there. So anyway, this is the part here. So this end piece here is where another backspan's going to go. You see it's let's go across. It's so span space, span space, span space. Going to be a span basically, isn't that? Yeah, that jacket's not moving, so it's not a person. So yeah. Try and get around the side and have a look around the side. I'm actually over the park. If you look down, I'm over the park, so I'm not on the site. So this is the distance I'm going to keep. I'll get a little bit lower and we can have a look in the top section. People just walking past. If I go a bit quiet, guys, that's all. So this is what's going to be the top section. Now I can't really go across because I'll turn and show you. I'm level with the trees, so I'm gonna oh god, gonna be trimming them trees, aren't I, if I come across. Anyway, I'll have a look anyway. So this is the top section where the upper concourse is going to be. Just gonna have a look at the drone. You know what, I think I'm going to clear them trees, so I should be alright. Yeah, so that's the stairwell that the workers just go back up a touch, where the workers come down. Okay, well, let's have a good look inside. Yeah, I'm clearing them trees, it's alright. Oh, there we go, having a good look at it. The upper concourse area. Okay, that's so loads of steel work on the floor there, so that's where the terracing framework is going to be. Well, that's where it's stored basically, so that'll be going up on here, so there's going to be another section going on this end, isn't there? Because there's only one there at the moment and there's two down that end. Okay, I don't want to be too. Oh, I tell you what I will do, I'll go up. Okay, so someone said that they wanted to see what the view would be like from the back of the stand. Now I am pretty much level with the stand, so I won't go any further forward. But as I said in previous videos, the old Anfield Road's in the way, so there's not a lot you can do about it. There's a guy running there. He looks like he's worried about something. Right, I'm just going to keep an eye on that while I'm looking round. So I'll have a look down and over the site. Okay. Get down the other end and see what's going on down that end. And that looks like a backspan getting built. Let's keep away from the site. There's an alarm going off. It sounds like someone's car's getting robbed. It's a backspan getting built in it. Yeah, let me just get around and have a look. Yeah. So that'll be going on there very soon. Okay. There's not a lot more I can look at here, guys. If you've got any questions of what's going on here, let me know in the comments and I'll find out. So I'm just going to bring it back over. Coming here now. Better I can.
Hey, did I ever do shoots with it?
No, not yet, mate. No. I've been asked to, but it's time consuming. What for?
Longer than an hour to do it.
What?
Then you need longer than an hour to do it. Just
What?
save a few dogs.
What for?
A few dogs.
What?
Field or something. Dogs.
What with the drone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I take them to photographers anyway.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying, so
I'm a photographer myself.
by trade, yeah.
Yeah.
What is your number?
Chris.
No sending dirty pictures, no.
You haven't heard that photo fella?
No, what one?
No, he's from
No.
a swan that you've
Yeah.
been using, like.
Yeah.
Scott, his name is, go on, let's see what I want there.
It's a beast, isn't he?
Yeah, it's 13 months, just like an F1 on it. Yeah, it's sick, that.
Yeah, that's my number anyway, mate. So
What's your name, lads?
Kev.
Kev,
Yeah.
Sean.
Nice one, Sean.
Well now, yeah.
Yeah, no worries, mate. Yeah.
Nice one, mate.
See you in a bit. Got it.
Come on, lad.
See you later. So yeah, it's got myself a little bit of work. So it's good to get yourself out and about. Let me just drop it down a bit now. Get a bit closer in because it's right behind me, the zone. Bit closer in, drop it right down and we'll have a good look. This camera's so deceiving. I feel like I'm inside the building. but I'm not. See? Yeah, so if you've got any questions about where you want me to look, you know what, let's have a look through there. Yeah, you're not going to see because the other stand's still up, so there's the stairs leading up anyway. There's obviously going to be escalators going up there, and that's the where you go through, and then you go, you know, into the stadium bowl, if you like. So there's the stairwell there. Moving along. See, right inside. So I'll do this the more work that goes on the grounds. Okay. Right, I'm going to leave it there, guys, and hope you liked it. Any questions, let me know. It's the first time I'm doing this type of video, so let me know if you like it or not. Speak to you all soon.